Welcome to this week's Performance TV, where we are on the road visiting with our friends at Dustless Blasting just outside of Houston, Texas. You know, the future of surface preparation is always evolving, and we've had an opportunity to meet all kinds of folks who are using Dustless Blasting as a business. Some of them pretty unique as well, and as a matter of fact, we got a chance on this visit to talk to the folks at AK Wetworks and how they use Dustless Blasting in the petroleum business. So Kim, tell us a little bit about your business. What is AK Wetworks?
AK Wetworks is a company that we provide dustless blasting for industrial sites in order to have a more economical way to blast their equipment or piping or anything that they need.
So give us a little background on how the company got started.
Well, our partner owns an epoxy and painting company and was using the traditional sandblasting, which caused a big plume of dust, and breathing it in. It was a health and safety, concern, and just messy and all of that. So we did some research and found out about dustless blasting, and we came and toured the facility and really liked the product, and that kind of started us into starting a whole nother company where we just do the dustless blasting.
Butch, give us a little bit of your background, first of all.
Well, I've been in construction all my life, been painting, and recently, when I say recently, I'm referring to a decade of coatings. And we recently moved here to Houston and was looking for a way to expand the business. We ran across Zach. Zach wanted to find out what our needs were. He drew a plan around our needs, put together the assembly, showed us the end product. We, in turn, presented it to the customer and had 100% success.
Now, Kim, you just recently made the change from more traditional sandblasting to the dustless blasting. Why did you do that?
Traditional blasting was just way too messy, too much dust in the air, so we just researched the dustless blasting and found Zach's company and thought, yeah, that looks great.
It's just a way more efficient and better product, and a way to get the job done quicker, less man hours, less media. It's just, overall, it's just way better than sandblasting.
Normally, you can't have a crowd around you when you're doing it. With this dustless blasting system, you can literally have somebody with the proper eye protection 20 feet away from you doing something while you're in turn blasting. So it's amazing. But what's more amazing is the crowd around you watching what you're doing, because that's never been possible before.
Once you had the opportunity to first use the dustless blasting machine, tell me about that first experience.
Well, yeah, I tried it out actually out here, and it was incredible. I mean, I was like, wow, a girl can even do this. So,
well, it's kind of mind-blowing because it's really powerful and super, super easy to use. There's not a lot of moving parts that you have to really worry about. It's just kind of a no-brainer. Just get in there and get what you have to get done. And removing rust, you can go from removing paint, graffiti, to blasting off epoxy, tar. It's just, the possibilities are endless. And like I said, it's just a great product and we love it.
What would you say to someone who is either thinking about starting a business or expanding a business and adding a dustless blasting machine?
I would say put on your boots, get to work, but if you're looking for something that is proven time over time, and it is a dustless arena that you're looking to get into, hurry up, get into it.
Do your research, and it's all going to lead you back to this, because it's the way of the future, it's the way that it's going, and this is way better than just your traditional sandblasting.